What's going on, guys? Real quick, just want to take you through how I put this light bar on my 2009 Kawasaki Brute Force. 20-inch light bar, Nilight is what it's called. Got it off Amazon. I was ordering a bunch of stuff, and it was one of those deals where, either pay shipping or add $30 to your order and get free shipping. I was going to pay for shipping anyway, so I bought this light bar. Figured if I was going to spend that money, why not? Spend it on something. So there's where it is. There's the brand right there. Took the wiring, kind of ran it along the frame. Runs right there. It goes through that bolt hole right there. It was already stripped out from when I got this thing. There was no bolt in it. Made it bigger. There are the mounts. Just kind of drilled through there. I believe it's a 5/16 that I drilled. And she's solid. So the wire runs through there. There's a hole right there. You can see where I ran the wiring. There's a switch for it. When you turn the switch on, that stays red. I'll show you how bright these are in a minute. Wire runs up through here. There is this, the plastics come up a little bit. So I tried to run the wire in between the black and the red plastic on the inside, but it just wasn't gonna stay. So I've got a zip tie down there holding it in place. We'll remove this seat. It comes along the frame right here. I've got some of it kind of tucked away right there. Goes behind the battery on that side. Brought it down around under the frame, under this little hole that was already there, and that relay is just kind of sitting there. I'll figure out a way to mount that later on. I might, mount it right there or something, somehow. This isn't the cleanest at all. I'm gonna fix that. I just put it there because I'm trying to do all this work while my kiddos sleep and they're actually starting to wake up. So, I don't have much time. But that is, that's how I've got it set up. Let me turn these lights off. I'm gonna shut this door right quick. And then I'll shut this door down. Oh, come on. Let's just turn these lights out. Anyways, so, my shop is a mess. So, turn it on. Go ahead and turn on the lows, brights, and then there it is, illuminate. Super bright. It'll definitely help riding at night. So that's, like I said, those are the brights. Those are the low beams. Bright, real bright light bar. This thing's got some red strips that go up in here. I'll have to remount later on, but looks pretty good. Looks real good. It'd look a lot better if those, the headlights and everything weren't yellow. I'll have to fix those later on, but it does look really good. And the cool thing about it, like I said, that switch right there does not draw power. It's not on when the bike and everything's off, so it doesn't draw power. So there's that 20-inch light bar. It centers up really well. I think it's a perfect size. I thought about mounting it on the underneath, but I think I'm glad I went that route right there. So it looks good, and that's how I did it. Probably took me probably took me about 45 minutes to an hour. Most of that was head scratching, trying to figure out how I was going to run the wire. So, all right, Nilight 20-inch light bar on my 2009 Kawasaki Brute Force.